Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on group, lecture number 4, in which I will discuss some problems on group related to matrix. Now we solve a problem. Problem is, let M2R be the set of all 2 by 2 matrices whose elements are real numbers. Then the set M2R forms a commutative group with respect to matrix addition. Now we solve this. Solution. Given that M2R is the set of all 2 by 2 matrices whose elements are real numbers. Let A belongs to M2R. Therefore, A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a matrix 2 by 2 matrix such that each Aij, the elements of this matrix belong to are real numbers. We may write A equal to, in short, Aij 2 by 2. Aij belongs to R, set of real numbers. Now we show that M2R with binary operation matrix addition is a commutative group. For this we have to prove laws required for this. Number 1, closure law. Let AB belong to M2R, where A equal to Aij matrix 2 by 2 matrix whose generalized element is Aij. B equal to Bij 2 by 2. Aij Bij belong to R, set of real numbers. Now A plus B equal to Aij 2 by 2 matrix plus Bij 2 by 2 matrix equal to Aij plus Bij 2 by 2 matrix. Since Aij Bij belongs to R, implies that Aij plus Bij belongs to R. Therefore, A plus B is a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are real numbers. Therefore, A plus B belongs to M2R. Hence, closure property holds. In M2R with respect to binary operation, matrix addition. Number 2, associative law. Let A, B, C belong to M2R such that A equal to Aij 2 by 2 matrix, B equal to Bij 2 by 2 matrix, C equal to Cij 2 by 2 matrix, and Aij, Bij, Cij belong to R, set of real numbers. Now, A plus B equal to matrix Aij 2 by 2 plus matrix Bij 2 by 2, this equal to Aij plus Bij, matrix 2 by 2 order. Now, A plus B under bracket plus C equal to matrix Aij plus Bij 2 by 2 matrix plus Cij 2 by 2 matrix, and this equal to Aij plus Bij plus Cij 2 by 2 matrix equal to Aij plus Bij plus Cij associative law. Here Aij, Bij and Cij are real numbers, and associative law holds in the set of real numbers with respect to addition. Since Aij, Bij, Cij belong to R, and associative law holds, in R, we may write this matrix as sum of two matrices, Aij 2 by 2 matrix plus Bij plus Cij 2 by 2 matrix. This equal to matrix A plus this equal to matrix Bij 2 by 2 plus Cij matrix 2 by 2. This means A plus this is B plus C. Therefore, associative law holds. Number 3. Existence of identity element. Let O be a matrix of order 2 by 2 such that each element of this matrix be zero real numbers. We may write this by 0 matrix, 0 2 by 2 matrix equal to 0 Ij 2 by 2. This 0 Ij equal to 0 real number for Ij equal to 1, 2. Now let A belongs to M2R be any element in M2R such that A equal to Aij 2 by 2 matrix, Aij belongs to R, real number. Now A plus 0 equal to matrix Aij 2 by 2 plus 0 Ij 2 by 2. This equal to 2 by 2 matrix Aij plus 0 Ij 2 by 2. This equal to Aij plus 0. 0 Ij means 0 real number. 2 by 2. This is equal to Aij 2 by 2 equal to A. Again, 0 matrix plus A equal to 0 Ij 2 by 2 plus Aij matrix of 2 by 2 this equal to 0ij plus aij, matrix of 2 by 2 order. This equal to 0 real number plus aij, 2 by 2 matrix equal to aij 2 by 2 matrix equal to A. Therefore, A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. Therefore, 0 is the identity element in M2 R. Number 4, existence of inverse. Let A belongs to M2R such that A equal to a matrix whose generalized element is Aij, and this matrix of 2 by 2 size. Aij belongs to R, set of real numbers. Since Aij belongs to R, real number, implies that minus Aij belongs to R. Let B equal to a matrix of size 2 by 2 whose generalized element is minus Aij, and matrix B is of size 2 by 2. Now, A plus B equal to Aij 2 by 2 matrix plus minus Aij 2 by 2 matrix equal to a matrix whose generalized element is Aij plus minus Aij, and this matrix is of size 2 by 2. This equal to 0ij 2 by 2 equal to 0 matrix size 2 by 2 such that each element of this matrix be 0. Now, B plus A equal to, B is a matrix whose generalized element is minus Aij, and this matrix is of size 2 by 2 plus matrix 2 by 2 whose generalized element is Aij, and this equal to minus Aij plus Aij, size 2 by 2 matrix equal to 0ij, size matrix 2 by 2 0 matrix. This is 0 matrix size 2 by 2. Therefore, A plus B equal to B plus A equal to 0 matrix. Hence, B is the inverse of matrix A. Number 5, commutative law. Let A, B belong to M2R. Such that A equal to a matrix whose generalized element is Aij, and this matrix is of size 2 by 2. B is another matrix whose generalized element is Bij, and this matrix is of size 2 by 2. Now, A plus B equal to Aij plus Bij, matrix 2 by 2 size, equal to, since Aij and Bij are real numbers and real number is commutative with respect to addition, so we may write this equal to Bij plus Aij 2 by 2. Since Aij, Bij belongs to R, set of real numbers, and real number are commutative. This equal to matrix Bij size 2 by 2 plus matrix here Aij size 2 by 2. This means B plus A. Therefore, A plus B equal to B plus A. Hence, commutative law holds. Therefore, M2R is a group with respect to matrix addition. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. The set M2R does not form a group under matrix multiplication. Given that M2R be the set of all 2 by 2 matrices whose elements are real numbers. Let A belongs to M2R such that A equal to a matrix whose generalized element is Aij, and this matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, such that Aij belong to R. R is the set of real numbers. And let A be a singular matrix. That means determinant of A is 0. Hence, A inverse does not exist. That is, A has no inverse. Hence, M2R is not a group under binary operation matrix multiplication. Proved. Now we solve a problem. Let S be the set of all 2 by 2 non-singular matrices whose elements are real numbers. so that S forms a non-commutative group under matrix multiplication. We solve this. Solution. Given that S be the set of all 2 by 2 non-singular matrices whose elements are real numbers. Let A belongs to S such that A equal to a matrix whose generalized element is Aij, and this matrix is of 2 by 2 size, and Aij belongs to R be the set of real numbers, and also A is non-singular, therefore determinant of A not equal to 0. This 0 is a real number. Now we prove all the laws required for a group. Number 1, closure law. Let A, B belong to S. Therefore, A, B are non-singular matrices, that is determinant of A not equal to 0 and determinant of B not equal to 0. And let A is a matrix whose generalized element is Aij, and this matrix is 2 by 2 size. B is another matrix of size 2 by 2 whose generalized element is Bjk. Here Aij, Bjk belong to R. Now we multiply matrix A and B. Since both are of size 2 by 2, therefore multiplication of these two matrices will be a matrix of 2 by 2 size. Here generalized element of AB is Cik, where Cik equal to sigma j equal to 1 to 2 Aij Bjk. Since Aij Bjk are real numbers, therefore Cik will be a real number. Therefore AB is a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are real numbers. Now determinant of AB equal to determinant of A multiply determinant of B. Since determinant of A is not equal to 0 and determinant B is not equal to 0, therefore product of two non-zero numbers will be a non-zero number. That means this is not equal to 0. Therefore AB is a non-singular matrix. Here we see that AB is a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are real numbers, and here we get AB is non-singular. Then both will conclude that AB is a non-singular 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are real numbers. Therefore AB belongs to S. Hence closure law holds. Number 2, associative law. Let A, B, C belong to S such that A is a matrix whose generalized element is Aij, and this matrix is 2 by 2 size. Similarly B and C. Now AB equal to a matrix whose generalized element is Uik, where Uik equal to sigma j equal to 1 to 2 Aij Bjk, and this matrix will be of 2 by 2 size. BC equal to a matrix whose generalized element is Vjl, and this matrix is of size 2 by 2. Here Vjl equal to Bjk CKL multiplication and sigma here K equal to 1 to 2. Now ABC, A is 2 by 2 matrix and BC is also 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, ABC will be 2 by 2 matrix whose generalized element is WIL, and WIL equal to AIJ and here VJL and sigma J equal to 1 to 2. Now ILth element of A under bracket BC equal to WIL. Here WIL we have seen. Since WIL equal to sigma J equal to 1 to 2 AIJ VJL. Here VJL equal to sigma K equal to 1 to 2 BJK CKL. Here. Now we interchange the sigma. We write this sigma K equal to 1 to 2 outside and this sigma inside, and we take AIJ BJK as here J equal to 1 to 2. Here there is no J suffix. This is outside CKL. And this means UIK. Here UIK be the ikth element of AB and CKL. UIK CKL multiplication and sigma K equal to 1 to 2 is the ILth element of, this is element of AB and this is element of C. Therefore, that is equal to ILth element of under bracket ABC. Therefore, A under bracket BC equal to under bracket ABC. Hence, associative law holds. Number 3, existence of identity element. Let I2 is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is unit matrix, diagonal element 1 1. Therefore, determinant of I2 equal to 1, which is not equal to 0, that is I2 is non-singular. I2 is 2 by 2 non-singular matrix. Therefore, I2 belongs to S. Let A belongs to S, then multiplication of identity matrix with matrix A is A, and similarly I2A equal to A. Therefore, AI2 equal to I2A equal to A. Therefore, I2 is be the identity element in S. Number 4, existence of inverse. Let A belongs to S, therefore A is non-singular. That means determinant of A not equal to 0. Hence, A inverse exists. Now, determinant of A multiply A inverse, this equal to identity element, multiplication of this is, and determinant of identity element is 1. Here left side is multiplication of two determinants equal to 1. Here determinant of A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A. Since determinant of A not equal to 0, therefore 1 by determinant of A not equal to 0. That means A inverse is non-singular, implies that A inverse belongs to S. Hence, S with binary operation multiplication is a group. Number 5, non-commutativity. Let A be a matrix whose elements in the first row be 1, 0, in the second row 0, minus 1. B is another matrix whose elements in the first row 0 and 1, in the second row 1 and 0. Since determinant of A equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0, determinant of B is also minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A and B are 2 by 2 non-singular matrices. Hence, AB belongs to S. We multiply A and B, we get a matrix whose elements in the first row will be 0, 1, in the second row minus 1, 0. And BA is another matrix whose elements in the first row be 0, minus 1, in the second row 1, 0. Therefore, AB not equal to BA. Hence, S with binary operation multiplication does not obey the commutative law. Therefore, S with binary operation multiplication, means multiplication here matrix multiplication, is a non-commutative group. Proved. Now we have to remember the important note. The group S dot is called general linear group of degree 2 over R set of real numbers, and it is denoted by GL2R. G means general, L means linear group of matrices, 2 by 2 matrices, and each element of the matrix be real number. This R means. Similarly, the group GLNR means it is a group that is general linear group of n by n matrices whose elements are real numbers, and the matrix means each element of this group be non-singular, and binary operation is matrix multiplication. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.